The typhoon white dolphin is still impacting Shanghai. The wind is still strong, but the terrible rain hasn't let up. I'm gonna give you a quick update on my little balcony garden. There is a lot of standing water in the flower pots. I've had to empty them so many times these past few days. I didn't just throw the water away. Instead, I collected it in a bucket. Plants love rainwater because it's naturally a bit acidic. Well, the flowers took a beating, but the plants themselves are still healthy, which is a real comfort. And here are my baby lemons. They are getting bigger, right?